What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Skibidi Kitty from Skibidi Toilet. For today's lesson we'll be drawing with a Sharpie fine point marker. I have some plain white paper and some markers to color with. Let's start today's drawing along the top of our page and draw two circles for the eyes. Now I want to start with the one on the left. Let's start from the very top in the middle, come around towards the bottom of the eye, and then pull that back up towards the top. Now I want to leave a large gap in between the eyes and draw the same size circle on the right. So we're going to start by lining up the top. I'm going to bring that down towards the same height, and then back up towards the top. Now we're going to draw two long ovals for the pupils in the center of each eye. Let's start from the very top, come down, and back up. And we'll fill the pupils in black. Let's add a point along the outside of the eye, starting from the very top, come around and then down, come down and then in underneath the eye. And I want to fill the inside of the points in black. Now we're going to move in between the eyes and on the bottom, draw the top edge of the nose. We're going to curve this up and then down. From the side, bend the nose, going down and in towards a center point. Let's add two small half circles along the bottom on each side of the nostrils, and we'll fill those in black. Now we're going to move up along the top and just add a small curve going up and then down. Let's go to the tip of the nose, draw a short line coming down to separate the mouth, and we'll curve this down and out toward the left and then the right side. Now in between the eyes, we're going to draw a trim going up in the middle. Let's round out the center, come across and then down inside the right eye. Now let's move out to the side and draw the lower half of the head. From this point, we're going to step out, start by curving the cheek going out, and then it's around and in towards the chin, go all the way out towards the right, round out the cheek, and then bend that in. Now we're going to go back underneath the eyes and add a trim going around and then in towards the chin. Go back to the side of the head and work our way up towards the ears, going out, up, and then in towards the top. And then we'll round up the tip of the ears, come in, and then down on top of the head. Let's close off the top of the head with a curve, going up and then down. Now I want to add that trim inside the ear. From the top, let's step down, bend this in, and then down towards the side of the head. Let's curve this out and then down, aiming towards the cheeks. And we'll follow the curve of the ear, going all the way around and then up towards the top. Let's add some patches across the head, starting from the top of the ear, and wave this around, down, and then up toward the top of the head. Let's add a patch on the right side. Start by coming in towards the eye, going out, and then down towards the cheek. Now we're going to come all the way down towards the bottom and draw the inside edge of the toilet bowl. Starting on the left, curve this down, across the middle, and then up. And now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the neck tucked in behind the toilet. Let's start on the left side. Start by bending this in, and then come straight down towards the bottom. Let's go to the right, coming in, and then bending that straight down. Let's go back to the outside of the toilet, bend this up and then in towards the side of the neck. Let's step down, add another curve. Now we're going to draw the outside of the toilet bowl with an oval. Let's start back on the left side, step up, we're going to go out, round up the side, and across the middle, going up on the right side, and then bending that back in. From the side of our oval, bend this down and then in towards the bottom. And then again, we're going to draw that same curve from left to right, going down, from the outside corner, we're going to step in, draw a small half circle, coming down, and tucking that up on the right. And then from the side, let's draw the pedestal. Going out and then down towards the bottom. And we'll round out the bottom. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the toilet tank. From the top edge, draw a straight line going out towards the left. Line this up on the right, going all the way across. Let's bend this out and then up just beside the cheeks. And then we'll draw a straight line coming in towards the side of the head. Now let's draw on the lid. Starting back on the corner, just going to round this out, come back in towards the top, and then draw another straight line coming in. Now we're going to layer the lid in behind. From the bottom of the tank, let's step up, pull this out, and then up towards the sides. Now we're going to bend this out, pull it up underneath the cheeks. On either side, let's draw a small circle. Let's add the flusher over on the left side. We're going to start with a half circle from the lid, go out and down, and pull that back in. Now we want to go back and just trace the inside of the lid, starting over on the left, then this down and in, curves in toward the neck. Let's do the same thing on the right. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how we draw the Skibidi Kitty from Skibidi Toilet. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. And if you want more details on the art supplies I used, I'll leave a list with links in the description below. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.